Okay, so for part 4, you might remember that we are trying to solve the problem of which school, proposal 1 or 2, would be better, more efficient for the Baltimore Public Schools. And so I'm going to remind you of this note that we got from a parent who wrote a letter to Sonia Santelices, and he explained in the letter that he was really concerned that the water system that uses the groundwater, that would be proposal 2, and you can see there's this huge groundwater tank here, but the temperature is much colder. And he's worried that, he just said, I don't think that the water at the temperature of 30 degrees has enough energy to heat the school. And then also pointed out a concern that if the school is too cold, it's going to be difficult for students to be learning. And so what you're going to be doing right now is revising the model that you made of the school. If you look at proposal 1, you can see proposal 1 is the one with the water heater, and it gets to a temperature of 39. And proposal 2 has 30 degrees Celsius water, so it's a bit colder. Also, another thing that you can see is that this water tank is significantly larger, and this one is a lot smaller. You had a model that you used in the first week that looks like this. This is just one side. This is the side that has the hot water tank. And what I'd like you to do for part 4 is to get your model. I'll have them on a stack on table 9, so just walk up to table 9 and get your model after you have your stamp for part 3. And you'll see that there's a box here that looks just like your model for part 3, this right here. So you would have put either an arrow showing energy transfer going this way, or an arrow up showing energy transfer from the bottom to the top, or if it was an equilibrium in this box, you would have put an X saying that there's no energy transfer happening. You'll notice that there is the exact same box on yours here, and then also there's the thermometers to show if the temperature in the air inside the school is hot or cold. I'd like you to just do one side. You can either do the hot water side or the groundwater side, and then also take a moment to answer what's happening to the water and the air at 6 a.m. when the hot water is just starting to enter, what's happening to it at 7 a.m. when the air is starting to warm up in the school, and at 8 a.m. when the air is fully heated.